Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase the background of a picture. First, understand that background removal isolates your main subject from its surroundings. You'll typically use software like Adobe Photoshop or free online tools. The goal is to create a clean selection around your desired object, preparing it for a new background or transparency. This foundational step is crucial for achieving professional-looking results in your image editing projects. For precise control, manual selection techniques are invaluable. The pen tool allows you to draw incredibly accurate paths, point by point, around complex shapes. Alternatively, the lasso tool offers a more freehand approach for simpler outlines. After making your initial selection, refining the edges is key. This step ensures a smooth transition between your subject and the new background, preventing harsh or jagged lines and giving a polished finish. Automated tools, often powered by artificial intelligence, have revolutionized background removal. Many applications now offer a one-click solution, where the AI intelligently identifies and separates the subject from its background in mere seconds. While incredibly fast, it's important to review the results. These tools are excellent for straightforward images, saving you significant time compared to manual methods, especially when processing many pictures. Once the background is removed, the next step is refinement. Carefully zoom into 100% to check for any stray pixels or small artifacts that might remain. You can then add a new, vibrant background or simply leave it transparent for versatile use. Finally, export your masterpiece. For transparency, always choose a file format like PNG. For images with a new background, JPEG is often suitable, ensuring high quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.